In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete cookies in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Firefox and go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and hover down where you can see the settings. In the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the privacy and security. And then here, scroll down until you find the cookies and site data section. All right. I want you to click the arrow here. And then you have the ability to delete cookies and site data for a specific duration. For example, if you want to delete the last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, or everything. Okay. But let me tell you right now, just a quick heads up. Clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so make sure you remember your login details. Okay, so you should be very careful doing this. Now, what I'm gonna do is click the clear button, okay? And basically, that's how you delete cookies in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.